Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to jailbreak this iPad Pro. Starting off, go into Safari and navigate to tweakbox.com. Then select Install Now. Tap Allow, Close, then go into Settings. You'll see a new option, Profile Downloaded. Tap on it. Install Profile, install once more, tap Done, and leave. Now open Tweakbox, accept, go into Apps. Bang's egg. Go to Tweak Backups. Scroll down and you'll see Uncivil Jailbreak. Tap on it, then install. Tap Install and quit. For it to install. Wait for it to install. Go back into Settings to trust the app. In general, go to Profiles and Device Management. Tap on it, then Trust. Trust once more. Go back to the app and now it will open. Before pressing Jailbreak, make sure you're in airplane mode. Without it, it doesn't seem to work. Turn on airplane mode, then tap Jailbreak. You may need to do this several times. The device will respring. Now we'll do it again. Unlock the device. Make sure airplane mode is still on. Go back to the app and tap Jailbreak again. Sometimes it gets stuck. Just close the app and reopen it. Let's close the app and try again. Make sure we're in airplane mode and Jailbreak again. You might need to do this multiple times. Jailbreak complete. If Cydia doesn't appear, go back to the app and jailbreak again. If it sticks too long, try again. It shows jailbreak complete and resprings again. There it is. Cydia appeared. It worked. I wasn't connected to the internet, still in airplane mode. That's how you jailbreak the device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.